Hi guys, welcome to our vlog.
Where are we going today?
To the big farm.
Yeah, it's a Kraay farm. There's our two musketeers.
Farm.
Continue on Range Road 273 for 800 meters.
Hello, Nay, where are we? We
In the farm.
Kraay Family
We're
Farm.
on the pumpkin patch. Baby.
Yeah, my baby.
This one is $2.
Are you guys Yay! Thumbs up, thumbs up. Yay!
There we go. I like your sunglasses.
Say thank
And
you.
yours.
Say thank you. You like Abby's?
Yeah, well, we have to wait until next year.
Go na go! Diyan ka na dyan. He's giving a shade. Kita nak lang, kita nak. Maybe take off her glasses. La. Want Charla? Charla? Come. Okay, you toss it down. Just a smaller bola, smaller bola. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Good job, Brayden. No, I did it to Pa. Back up, Brayden, back up. Yeah, big boss. Hati man, sige man. Oh, what's up? Ah, not getting any better.
Sure, John.
Okay, give it another shot. Go.
Oh, John has a different technique in doing it. Okay, well, look at this. I'm gonna try too. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm
Okay, Jeff, go.
I don't need to be a big hoss. Big hoss.
We hope to have a ticket. We don't have any more tickets.
Yeah. You're proving yourself. This is a proof of mamas and papas. Nay, 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 Abby. Go, Abby, go. Evelyn. Okay, let's go see the pets. Ano yung mga Abby? What are those?
Oh my God, what's happening to that wall? It was just so clean. Oh, guys, I'm looking at the spirit right now.
Ano yun? Oh.
Mary, it's coming to you. It's not one right there.
Elena, they like you. They like you, La. That's a lot of bird.
Guys, you can see how many birds there are?
Yeah. And some goat. Abby, give him a kiss.
Nah. Doing your sound effects.
Okay, ipakain mo dun La. Diyan can you carry Alan eh?
Ano ginapon niya?
Ate Ella.
Okay, hawak mo. Hawak mo. Yeah, gentle. Abby, come on, touch. Come on, touch.
The head. Get the heads. Bop the heads in.
Good at that. He's like, more food. Give me food. You have cash? Told you to bring some. Yeah. Yay. Say, oh, so sorry. You say hi, say hi. Yay, you pet them? Oh, you pet them, yay. Aja pa ini doon ni. Oh.
Oh my God, take it again.
Yeah. Pet.
Done.
Yay! La. Who needs a quarter when you can grab from the ground? Okay, go la. Yay! Kailan mo ni Ading? Kailan mo ni Ading? Huh?
Do you want food for the? Do you want a gumball?
We have greens for the cooks. It's supposed for the rabbits. You have to make sure you feed the right food. If you eat the wrong food, that's not good. Those are for the rabbits.
Okay, give him Abby. Give him. Give him.
You know me up there? You know me? Nobody's telling us to touch you. Not be back there. That's the fucking I'm gonna slow them down.
This is not a sheep. This is not a sheep. Ano yan? Nag-floppy yung ulo na lang. It's a floppy head. Yeah, try to pet him, but I don't think you can fit your hand doon. He might bite though. Does he bite? Yeah, go. Okay. Just say hi. Ano yan? Ano yan? Whoa, look at all.
Little baby pig.
They're eating. Ano, Avi? Ano?
Dude.
Ano yan? So cute. Do you like pigs? I know. Here, Avi, duck. Avi, dito.
Do you want to feed them this one little piece?
Sure.
They might fight though.
Put your hand open like this so they're just gonna nip on your hand. That's for
Whoa.
Pick it up again.
They do bite, but they don't have teeth.
You gotta put it on your palm. For the ducks. Was that cool?
Got it.
Hey, let's go wash hands.
Yeah, sheep. Ano yan, Avi?
Dan.
Ano yan?
Da.
Duck. Ano ko na duck? Ano ko na duck? Ano ko na duck? Quack, quack.
Dan. Do.
Duck. It's peeing.
Da.
We just pick it up, Brayden. Yun o, corn. We just pick it up from the ground. Yun o, ikunin mo yan.
Put your hand and then like this. Before like this. Put it like that. Get it under. Get it in. This. No, don't throw it. Hey, put it in my hand. I'll show you.
Yeah!
They're so fast.
Trying to find food? Or is he trying to eat you?
Ano kukunan ni Pato?
Hey, back off.
Just so, like, just watch it though. Duck? Ano yan?
Rabbit.
Rabbit! Kasano tiwunin ti Babet?
Rabbit. I'm ordering a pumpkin.
It's her food.
What's all those homes?
Yeah, that's her little homies.
What's that one ball?
Oh no, one's laying down. Is he okay? Or is he sleeping?
Chicken coops. Okay, go. Barely nudge. Hey, I'll have hold Brian.
Oh, yeah. You were just like, toward the house. 400.
Oh, this one. 50 bail. Ano ka pa? Train ni Brianna? Oh, this is... Yes. I don't know. It's free now. Abby! Yay! Get to milk a cow. You press. This. Ah! Squeeze. Wala, hindi ma-pull. Squeeze lang, squeeze lang. Abby, dito ka, dito ka. Give adding one tit. Okay. Kaya mo kaninong kaya?
Wait.
She's pro? You guys having fun so far? Is this fun? 1, 2. I have the sandwiches. You can have a popcorn if you want. Yep, I approve. Heavy. 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 Whoa. I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna catch you. Abby. Okay, go together. 1, 2. Okay, Togola. 1, 2, 3, go. Brayden, that is good job. Okay, go Brayden, doon sa likod. Just Wee! This is so fun. Okay, we're gonna wait for our turn, Abby. Wee! Whoa! Yay, Elene! Wee! Abby! Hi! Harder, harder. Abby, look at me. Abby, say hi. Hi, Abby. Hi. Harzy, Abby. Yay! Gold bars. I think they have to grab ano and give you look at ating may mesa na Jane eh. Bye! Kaya mo tanong lang? Wee! Good job, you two. Wow! You run over a goat! Whoa! La! Back up! Okay, Jen, can you just push Ella Avia around? Whoa! Gas up! Gas up! It's a house. There's a chapel here. And there's a jail. Elena, going to the school. Elena. this way. This one is the school. Are you a teacher? Yeah, this is so perfect for her size. It's just another room ata be. Oh, we kukum dita. The table. Table? Yeah. Down. Elena, look at this cool truck. Are you just going back and forth? Yeah.
Out of the way, lady.
Get up. Stop bumping me. You broke my thing. You broke it. Yeah. Never mind.
God, don't even think about it.
Go, go, go. Is it actually working?
The game. So you spin that thing a couple times to make it sound like it doesn't work. And then it eventually starts.
Okay, you spin lang. You spin. Obstacle course. Whee! Cool kanina lang.
There's a toddler crawling.
Huh?
You trying to bump it? Oh. You trying to knock the other one loose. Fall.
Jonathan. Abi, tignan mo yung papa mo. Nandun na lahat yung bola.
You took their ball?
You guys took all the balls.
We did it, Abby.
Abby's injured. Limping. Jonathan. Jerk.
Bad man.
Was that fun lang? Was that fun? Ayaw mo na. Yeah, Abby, yeah! Was that fun, La? Was that fun? Yeah! Again. Whoa! Okay. Okay, go again, go again, go! Oh!
You don't go there, Bridget.
Science sana yung ano natin ah. Because there are different mazes.
There were polka dot pumpkins and rainbow ones too. There were thousands of colors and hundreds of shapes, and oh, what a garden variety makes. You're not your average garden variety. It hurts, huh? You want me to carry you again? Here, Abby, hold this one. Oh, wow.
What you guys got?
I got lollipop.
You got lollipop?
Lollipop.
Did you get La?
I got school honey. I get a red lollipop.
And did you guys had fun at the Kraay farm?
Pick a honey, Rin. Lemon.
Brayden, Elena, I'm asking you this question. Come here, come here. Did you guys had fun? What was your favorite?
My favorite is bowling lane.
The which what?
The bowling lane.
The bowling lane. Ikaw La?
The horsey.
The horsey. How about you, Avi? Avi?
Hi.
Horse too. Was this a fun trip?
Yeah.
Did you like it, Brayden? Thumbs up.
Take a bite.
See you. Let's say see you in our next adventure.
Doing six adventure.
Say bye.
Bye.
So that was a fun adventure. We got here around 2:30 and we're just at 6:30 now. So 4 hours was just perfect amount of time. I think with kids who's 2 years old and 4-year-olds, like our kids. But it was a lot of fun. There's a lot of activities that we could do with the kids, and you could spend the whole entire day here. But for us, our kids still need nap times, and so that was just enough for us. But we could have go back in there and over and do the activities over and over again, because Ellen kept going back to some activities that she loves. So definitely I'd say that this is a trip worth driving for. How about you, Mr. Burr? What's your take about it?
It's alright. It's pretty good.
What's pretty good?
Pretty good. Is it pretty good? And pretty good partner. Is it pretty good farm experience in the farm of the Kraay farm partner?
No. There was a lot of stations for all the kids. It was busy with, going into a long weekend, but there's still a lot of space for kids to be doing stuff around. So yeah, come check it out because we loved it, and we'll probably come back again here, not next year, probably like we'll do every other year or so. But thank you. We'll see you in the next adventure, and if you're not subscribed yet, so please hit that subscribe button.
Where do you put your subscribe button?
One of those.
Where is it?
We'll see. Bye. Girl, say bye. Is this? Who's this? Abby. Hold on, there's a face. Uy. Blow kisses mo nga.